Hi again, this is me, Erica. Welcome back to Wise Minded Beauty channel. Today I prepared for you topic, how to choose a good essential oil. We need to have a bit of knowledge and a bit of understanding when it comes to choosing and buying a high quality essential oil. Since 2007, I am working in the aromatherapy field and I have deep knowledge about the essential oils and their positive virtues on human mind, body and well-being state. As well, I read lectures for medical doctors, for women who want to be mindful, beautiful and have a positive attitude towards life. The majority of lectures are related with the essential oils and the impact of the essential oils and the power of aromatherapy. I participate in conferences and mostly the themes are related with beauty and health. Wisely used essential oils can bring happiness, joy, balance. It is also said that certain oils can attract abundance, wealth, love. So how to choose a high quality essential oil? Let's find out. Using essential oils can increase our quality life and reduce stress levels at all times. The essential oils we can use in two ways, either through absorption of the skin or by inhalation. The essential oils hold extremely tiny molecules that are lipid soluble, meaning they can go through our deeper skin layers, reaching nerves, capillaries, and blood vessels. If we use essential oils by inhalation, we just can simply open the bottle and inhale it, just like that. Or we can add essential oils on a cotton pad and inhale it as well, or leave it somewhere a cotton pad nearby you. If we use essential oils on our body, absolutely we have to dilute them. Essential oils we dilute using vegetable oil. You can use any vegetable oil you like, sesame, argan, sweet almond, or you can just simply take a body lotion and then you add 6 drops of essential oil and mix it with vegetable oil and apply on your skin. I also would like to give you some information how essential oils are done. Essential oils we can get by several means, either steam distillation method or extraction, mechanical cold pressing. I also know that in the aromatherapy industry you can find artificial, synthetic oils and they don't have therapeutic properties. So in order to get and to obtain 100% natural and pure essential oils, they need to meet a certain quality criteria. So let's find out what the criteria are. Firstly, they have to be in a dark glass bottle. So basically any oil I take that I have, they are in small glass bottles. And usually they are poured out into 10 milliliters or 5 milliliters quantities. I usually even have essential oils that are poured out in 1 milliliter. As well, the essential oils, we need to have a dropper. So because in the aromatherapy, we count everything by drops. What I find that 2 essential oils, myrrh and vetiver, doesn't have a dropper. In this case, we need to use a dispenser. Every plant in different parts holds different quantities of essential oils. For instance, I can take orange tree. We can take essential oil from the orange leaves. As well, when the tree is blooming, we can get essential oil from the orange blossoms. And we can take essential oil from the orange zest. So botanical name is really quite important and it has to be written down on a bottle. For instance, sweet orange essential oil is Citrus sinensis and neroli essential oil is Citrus aurantium amara. The other quality criteria is price. Usually, better quality essential oils are higher in price. And if you would come into the pharmacy or into the shop, and you will see that the whole range of the essential oils are pretty much for the same price, meaning even a little bit of lower price. So then be aware what are you getting. To give you an example, for instance, To obtain 100 grams of essential oil, we need to use 400 kilograms of rose petals, 15 kilograms of fine lavender flowers, 3 to 5 kilograms of eucalyptus leaves, or even 100 kilograms of neroli blossoms. So, really, essential oils cannot be at the same price. Rose, neroli, jasmine, cinnamon, sandalwood. These are the highest in price and the most precious oils in aromatherapy. I also picked up few essential oils just to show you what else should be written on the bottle. Which part of the plant was used to get an essential oil? For instance, I took cinnamon oil, and it is written that the essential oil is from the bois, from the bark. A wonderful, cheerful, and joyful sweet orange oil. The part was used zests, fine lavender, fleurie, from the flowers, rosemary, from the flowers as well, and a wonderful balancing geranium from the flowers. Geographic origin should be mentioned on a label as well. Where the plant was growing, it can cause significant changes into the chemical composition of the essential oil or the essence. For instance, Sinel rosemary oil from Corsica will have totally different aromatic molecules than from Provence or Morocco. Also, cultivation method. The plants can grow wild or it can grow in organic farms. In this case, the essential oils should have certain kinds of certificates like Agriculture Biologique, EcoCert or Cosmebio. Harvesting time is also very important. Usually the plants are being harvested when they have the highest amount of essence. For instance, peppermint plant is harvested before the flowering, fine lavender during the flowering, and clary sage after the flowering. As well, essential oils have expiry date. Expiration date should be written down on a bottle as well. It is said that the essential oils expire in 5 to 10 or even 15 years period. If you already opened the bottle, so ideally would be to consume this essential oil within 18 months after the opening and storage them in a dry and cool place. Also, batch number. Usually it goes after the expiry date. Batch number helps us to track when the plant was being harvested, because the essential oils, if they were done 1 year or the other, can have a slightly different fragrance. It really depends on weather conditions, if it was dry or sunny days, or if it was humid and we had a lot of rain and cloudy. So they have a slightly different fragrance. Chemotype of the essential oil can differentiate essential oils, because the essential oils then can have totally different components and totally different activities. I picked up for you 2 essential oils. Both of them are rosemary oils. Just one is Sinel rosemary and the other one is camphorated rosemary. And I see that for Sinel rosemary oil, chemotype is Cineol, and for camphorated rosemary, chemotype is camphor. Sinel rosemary oil is a wonderful for air diffusion, has antibacterial properties, activates concentration, tonifies, perfectly blends with sweet almond oil for the hair loss. And camphor rosemary has less Sinel and more camphor. So basically this oil is used for muscle and joint pain relieving. It also relieves all the tension in the muscles. When essential oils comes to factory, it is essential to make a certain evaluation if the essential oils meet a specific quality criteria. Chromatographic analysis defines the chemical profile of each essential oil and essence. Basically, these were my recommendations how to choose a high-quality essential oil. So make sure that you're getting 100% natural and pure essential oil, that they are not synthetic or artificial oil, petroleum-based, because they will not have the same therapeutic properties as the real ones. Also, make sure that the essential oils are in a dark bottle. Also, they should have a dropper. A label should hold that information like quantities, batch number, expiry date. Ideally would be if the essential oils could have any kind of quality certification like Agriculture Biologique, Cosmebio, EcoCert, or any other that defines the quality essential oil. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you would like to get more information about the essential oils and about the aromatherapy. And if you have essential oils at home and don't know how to use them, you just can simply drop me the questions down below this video into the comments and I will get back with you. Thank you for being with me today and see you next time.